If you are in an eligible center, today we'll be going over the CDA Scholarship Project through the Child Care Aware of Missouri. On this main page here, you'll scroll until you find where it says Eligibility for CDA Scholarship Project. Once you click this, it'll take you into the main page for where you can apply. We're going to choose to apply using clock hours, Enroll Today. Once you've clicked Enroll Today, it will bring you to the main screen where you can click the button Enroll in CDA Scholarship Project. Once you've clicked that button, it will bring you to the main screen of eligibility requirements. For option 1, please choose that you work in a licensed child care facility. For option 2, please choose yes that your program is registered to accept DSS child care subsidy. Then you will enter your hours worked per week and choose the date you began work at OCAC Head Start. Once you have your start of employment date in this system, the next option you have is for child care program name. This you will need to enter in as OCAC Head Start. The next section takes us into the applicant information. In these boxes, you will enter your own personal information. This information should match what we used when creating your Council login. This should also match your ID and your MOPD ID. If you have questions about the answers for these questions, they should be included on the spreadsheet attached to the email you received. When entering your information in, if your name does not match the name provided on your MOPD ID, you will not be able to proceed to the next step. If you run into this issue, please call or email Emily so that I can help you move on to the next step in this process. Once you have finished with the applicant information section, it will bring you into current employment. Your childcare program will be OCAC and then your center name. I have provided the childcare license number in the spreadsheet attached to this email. Once you've entered in your childcare license number, please select the job title that closest applies to you. Then you will enter the primary contact name for your center. This will be your center director or your lead teacher director or your on-site supervisor. Then you will enter in the zip code that your center is in and the county that your center resides in. For childcare program type, please select that you work in a center-based program. For the next options, you will choose directly what applies to you. You do have early Head Start and/or Head Start children in your classroom, so you will mark yes there. OCAC will be the Head Start grantee in the box, and then you will choose what age groups you currently work with. After that, you will enter the number of children in your care, and it will need your hourly wage and your most recent pay stub. We now move into the Education tab. From here, you'll just need to select what best describes your educational history and how many years you've worked in the field of childcare, not only with OCAC, but overall. It will then ask which languages you feel most comfortable working with children, and then it will ask what languages do you speak fluently. From there, it'll ask about the number of people in your household and what best describes your marital status. We now move into the CDA portion. For your first question, you will choose that you do not currently have a CDA, and your second option that you, yes, are currently earning your CDA. In the attached spreadsheet, I will have included how many hours of training you have completed so that you can add this in this box here. You are not currently enrolled in a Teach Missouri scholarship. Your preferred way to earn your CDA will be clock hours. You do not need to renew your CDA, and you do not have an expired CDA. As for the setting, please choose the one that applies to you in your classroom.